Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preventing further damage. Power down, remove accidental writes, and boot from a recovery USB. Once booted, launch a reliable imaging tool and target the C drive. Make a full sector-by-sector image to an external disk. You do this because an image preserves current data and prevents overwrites. Make sure to verify free space and check some options before starting. Once the image finishes, do not attempt file restores on the original disk yet. Keep the image as your working copy. You now work on the image rather than the original drive. First, mount it read-only or duplicate it. This protects integrity. Then run a two-step approach. A file system-aware scan to recover directory structure, followed by file carving for fragmented or deleted files. Once done, filter results by date, size, or file type and export critical documents, photos, and databases to a separate external drive. Make sure to check file integrity as you go and label recovered batches for later verification. You finish by verifying every recovered file opens correctly and comparing file sizes or hashes where possible. This confirms successful recovery. Once verified, restore files to a clean Windows install or a new drive. Do not overwrite the original C drive. If some files remain missing or corrupted, retry scans with alternate tools and different carving settings, and consider professional recovery if physical failure is suspected. One key troubleshooting tip. If scans return few results, stop and image the disk again with a different tool to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.